and you probably won't miss any of the features that are available only when you have a separate graphics card installed. Hey guys, this is Kevin for Pixavert.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the question, do you need a separate graphics card for Photoshop? The basic answer is no. You can use the built-in graphics card on your computer if you are installing Photoshop. Now, to demonstrate this, I've got an image open here inside of Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC 2019, and I've gone ahead and disabled the graphics card. And you do that by going to the Preferences, Performance, and disabling the graphics card, shutting down Photoshop, and then restarting it. As you can see, I was able to open this image, type in some text, and I can still edit the image as usual. So if I wanted to, I could come here and paint over this area. Everything seems to be working fine. However, if I go to the text, something has changed, and that is if I go to the 3D menu, you'll see that the 3D menu is completely grayed out, so I can't actually use this whatsoever. If I go to the filter menu, most things are available, but if I go to stylize oil paint, that's also grayed out. So most of the features here are available, but the entire 3D menu has been disabled, and one or two really important filters have been disabled. But for the most part, 99% of Photoshop is still working. Another thing to bear in mind if you do a lot of editing is, if I try to move this image around, you may notice that it's kind of tearing up a little bit. And that's something that didn't happen when I had the graphics card enabled. So what I would want to do with this computer is to go back and re-enable the graphics card, come back into Photoshop. Those features that are disabled would now be re-enabled, and I'll be able to use all the features. I would also have better performance when editing an image, because I'm not going to get this kind of tearing, which looks very distracting after a while. Now, there are other features that get disabled, and there are certain things inside of Photoshop that do need a graphics card. So if you are a professional who's working with Photoshop, I would recommend watching my other video on graphics cards and Photoshop, which discusses what type of graphics card you need for different workflows. However, if you're someone who's using Photoshop fairly casually, you're doing a limited amount of editing, I don't think a graphics card, a separate graphics card, is a priority. You can just use the built-in graphics card, and for the most part you should be okay. And you probably won't miss any of the features that are available only when you have a separate graphics card installed. That is going to be it for this one. I hope you found that useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.